Hey, welcome back to Ambient Detective Mode, where I'm going to show you two things that I've added and I'm still working on. Um, the case board I added a few days ago. I'm still working on it to make it stable, and then I added in the DMV section. We had process abandoned vehicle, process bin issues, and now we have search incident vehicle. So right now I'm on a accident investigation, and we're going to use it. First, we're going to go ahead and search this lady and get her name and process the scene. Smartphone, bag of marijuana. Okay, so we know Abby Thompson. We're gonna go into our case board to the case that's open and put her name in, Abby Thompson. All right, so now we have her name, Abby Thompson. Okay, go ahead and process the scene. Okay, what's over here? Trace evidence. So we'll assume maybe that's the direction they went, or the direction she came from running. I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully his squad car. I'm just gonna move mine just to make sure I'm not sitting on evidence. Turn off the helper real quick. Alright. I feel like we're missing two of them. Officer, I'm gonna move your vehicle. Alright, well, I guess this time it's just two pieces of evidence, a skid mark, and what was the other one? And trace evidence. Not much to go on, but in this case, you know, if the officer had talked to the first person he saw when he showed up and they had said they saw a vehicle, and that's what we're doing now.
Are you serious?
They saw a vehicle leaving the scene with a color and a model, so we'll go ahead and hit possible match, Premiere, search the marked area patrol for a matte blue Premiere. So we'll go into our map. It's that very light yellow. This is Ambient Events. This is ours. So what I do is, because I don't memorize all the models in the game, requesting CSI to my location.
Copy, I'll route you a unit on Power Street.
I'll use my phone to search what a Premiere looks like. Which I'm doing right now. Alright. And what I do is, because it's a scene, I just let the officer handle the traffic, get them back in working order, pick up any debris or any evidence I may have missed. I don't think I missed any. Alright, I got it. So I just drive away. In this case, with this new addition, you do not
traffic
have
restrictions are now listed. Copy, thank you.
You do not have to end the scene, because if you do, you're going to end your search incident vehicle. The scene in this case, for this one only, will reset itself and clean up.
What's happening?
Alright, so we're looking for a Premiere, matte blue Premiere. Alright, we're coming up into our bubble now, so let's keep our eyes peeled. That's not a Premiere.
Hey, girl.
So before I go to the interstate, I'll just do all the main streets. Pretty much at our end. Let's see. We'll come back around this way. Is that matte blue? And the car's broken. Oh, he's running. That's him. Well, I guess he's giving up. Yep, that is our car.
Hands in the air!
Suspect on foot.
That is the guy that
Copy, suspect on foot.
hit our victim, Abby Thompson. Well, that worked out perfect. And just to be sure, we're going to double check.
You are under arrest!
Requesting plate check 49 Victor Queen Charlie 688. Requesting plate check 49 Victor Queen Charlie 688. It's Premier. It's matte blue.
Copy, I'll run that plate through the system. 4-9
Hey, bud,
Victor
how's it going?
Queen Charlie 688. The system check shows that vehicle information is expired.
All right, so in this case, we're going to use our investigative management menu, the Detective Bureau menu. Jack Brooks, let's go ahead and request. We'll do a ped check through dispatch. Expired, okay. White powder. So this is definitely our guy. He's going down for vehicular manslaughter. We're also going to test that white powder. We're also going to search the car, and we're going to see what else we can find in the DMV for the VIN issues. The handgun. Okay. And now we need to go ahead and go to the DMV and hit VIN issues. Bill of sale not found. So it is a stolen vehicle, in possession of a stolen vehicle, vehicular manslaughter, drugs, a handgun. What we're going to do, pull off to the side here, keep our lights on so we're not a hazard. I'll open up traffic but slow it down,
Copy that. Traffic control has been lifted.
and we'll get this car out of here. Before I do that, because for some reason if you get rid of the car before you check the serial number for the weapon, it won't be there anymore. So let's see. Queen 156203 Queen, registered to a Michael Dominic. This guy. So Michael Dominic, it says valid. Didn't even report it stolen. It wasn't even reported. So that's a whole new investigation. That could have been the guy that either sold to this guy, VIN mismatch. He's going to be in possession of a stolen vehicle because something's wrong with the VIN. No gun permit, not on parole or probation.
I don't think so. Sounds like way hard work.
Okay.
Life's too short for that shit. He comes off like a poser anyway.
Requesting a tow truck to my current location.
Yeah, maybe. But plates, bro.
Oh, wow. Requesting a tow truck to my current location.
10-4, a flatbed is en route to your location.
Copy, I'll route you a unit on San
Alright.
Andreas Avenue.
So we got the tow truck showing up. Get rid of our, there we go. Alright, time for charges. Jack Brooks. Create arrest report. He started to evade. That still counts. Drug possession. I didn't check the drugs. We'll have to get out and do that real quick. Forgot about the white powder. There's a lot going on. Let's see if it's PCP. What about cocaine? Heroin? Well, I guess we'll check them all. Okay, heroin it is. Alright. So the car's out of the middle of the road. And let's go ahead and do the charges now. Jack Brooks, traffic, evading arrest, leaving the scene of an accident, heroin, illegal possession of a firearm. Let's see. And vehicular manslaughter, which maybe later could be upgraded, depending on the district attorney. And I believe we got him for everything. Alright. So let's go ahead. Clear the scene now. Open up traffic.
10-4. Traffic control is now clear. Thank you.
And we'll go ahead and pull off and let a transport unit come pick him up. And we can close our case, which is always a good thing. So Abby Thompson, case closed. We found her perp. Requesting prisoner transport.
Copy, I'll route you a unit in the downtown area.
Alright, we'll just wait for them to show up.
Motherfucker!
Alright. So what I showed you just now was I played the video in the middle, but what I did was I went and started an accident investigation. Excuse me. An accident investigation. I showed up. I got the ped's name from searching her body. Obviously got some information from the officer on scene. Let me know of the make and model that the witness provided, which then we used search incident vehicle. And then we drove to the yellow circle, tried to find it, and we hit it. We got lucky because we spotted it right off the bat. Then when we did that, I clicked the wrong button. That's why I tried to hit A. There we go. Sorry about that. Anyway, then we got him out, ran his plates. Turns out it had VIN issues, so we did process VIN issues. Came back. That gun we found in that man's name could have been the guy that sold the vehicle to that guy somewhere down the line. It wasn't registered, so yeah, that's how we conducted our investigation and came up with what we came up with. I hope you enjoyed the video.